I survived the endless cycle of trying to lose belly fat dieting, crunches, and extreme workouts that left me feeling more frustrated than fit. Then, I spent some time reevaluating my approach and discovered something surprisingly simple: walking. I thought, could something so basic actually work? So, I decided to give it a shot. Every day, I built a routine that was both sustainable and effective. I spent 30 minutes walking at a brisk pace, making sure to engage my core with every step. This wasn't just about walking, it was about walking with intention. I added intervals of faster walking and mixed in exercises like walking lunges and side steps to really target my midsection. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now, but it wasn't always easy. There were days when I struggled to find the motivation to get out the door. I saved myself from giving up by setting small, realistic goals like just getting through today's walk, and slowly but surely, I began to see results. The physical changes were noticeable. I got leaner, my belly started to flatten, and my clothes fit better, but the benefits didn't stop there. I built more than just a stronger body. I built confidence, resilience, and a sense of accomplishment. My energy levels soared, and mentally, I felt sharper and more focused. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in description. I saved myself from the frustration of complicated routines by sticking to something simple yet effective. Consistency was key. I tracked my progress, celebrating each small victory along the way, and those little wins kept me going. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Here's what I learned. You don't need to spend hours at the gym or follow complicated diets to get results. All it takes is 30 minutes a day, a good pair of walking shoes, and the determination to keep going even on tough days. The journey to a flat belly starts with a single step, literally. Are you ready to start your own journey? Lace up your shoes and let's walk our way to a flatter belly and a healthier, happier life.